Ever seen the name Jonna and wondered, is it Jonna or Jonna? Let's nail both in under a minute. Different countries say it differently, so I'll teach you the common English version and the Nordic version. In English, say Jonna. Repeat with me 3 times. Jonna, Jonna, Jonna. Start with a soft J like in jump, then a relaxed In Swedish or Finnish, say Jonna. Repeat 3 times. Jonna, Jonna, Jonna. Begin with a light Y sound and hold the N just a touch. Practice from slow to natural. Jonna, Jonna, Jonna. Jonna. Try it in a sentence. Hi, I'm Jonna. English. Hi, I'm Jonna. Nordic. Hi, I'm Jonna. Common mistakes. Don't say Jonah. That's Jonah. And keep the stress on the first syllable, Jonna or Jonna. If this helped, please subscribe and ring the bell. I post quick, clear pronunciations every week. Comment your country and I'll confirm which version fits you.